Welcome to Trades and Tea, where we sip, learn, and grow one smart move at a time. I'm Sol, and if we're going to keep it real, my name is Ingrid. But when I'm in my flow, building this dream for my family and for the people I love, you can call me Sol. Whether you're a woman, a man, a parent, a partner, or just someone trying to figure life out, this space is for you. Because freedom, wisdom, and growth, that's not just for one group, that's for all of us. So grab your tea or your coffee and let's talk about what it really means to own a stock. The stock market is like a giant marketplace, but instead of fruits and veggies, people are buying and selling pieces of companies called shares. When you own a share, you own a tiny piece of that company. You're no longer just a customer. You're a part owner. That's ownership. Now that's power. Trading is short term. You buy and sell quickly to catch price moves and make a profit. Investing is long term. You buy and hold for months, maybe years, like planting a tree and waiting for it to grow. Some people trade, some invest, and some, like me, do a little bit of both. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the biggest financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every single day. In Forex, you trade currency pairs like Euro USD or USD JPY. Think of it like betting on which currency will gain or lose value compared to another. Forex runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which is why it's popular with people around the world. But it's also risky if you don't know what you're doing, because you can trade with something called leverage, meaning you can control a big position with a small amount of money. If you're curious about Forex, make sure to take your time. It's a powerful market, but you have to respect it and learn it well. Crypto is the digital Wild West. These are coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or meme coins. The cool thing about crypto, it's open 24/7. There's no closing time like the stock market. But the bad thing is it can be super volatile. Prices can jump or crash 20% in a single day. I traded crypto myself like coins like Bonk and Pepe. And let me tell you, the excitement is real. But you need a good plan or your emotions will take over. Finally, we have the stock market, which I call the classic market. When you buy a stock, you're actually buying a small piece of a company, like Tesla, Apple, or even Starbucks. Let's say you buy one share of Apple at $100. A few weeks later, it rises to 120. You sell, you made $20 profit. That's trading. It's that simple. And yes, you can do it too. Stocks are traded mostly on the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq, and they're open Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. For beginners, stocks are often the easiest place to start. Why, you may ask? Because there's a lot of education out there. It's more regulated and it doesn't move as fast as crypto or Forex. You can still make great profits if you learn how to analyze charts and pick good companies. Build confidence, understand charts, and practice setting stop loss and take profit levels. Once you feel ready, explore crypto or Forex, but always with the mindset that these are more advanced and require discipline. Remember, all three markets can bring success, but they require patience and education. When I first heard about stocks, I didn't know what to think. But my friend Marvia invited me to a school speech about investing. And something inside me said, this matters, so listen. That day sparked something in me. I started learning, I started watching, I started trying. And now I'm here sharing this with you. So what did we learn today? A stock is a piece of a company. The stock market is just a place where people buy and sell those pieces. Prices move based on emotion and logic, fear, excitement, news. And you've now learned the difference between trading, investing, and how markets like Forex and crypto fit into the mix. That's powerful knowledge. In future episodes, we'll get visual, candlestick basics, how to read price movements. You really don't want to miss that episode. Before we go, just remember, trading is like making tea. Don't rush the brew, because patience brings the best results. You got this. I believe in you. This is Trades and Tea, and we're just getting started. If you liked the information in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.